Yo, 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 what's going on? Well, right now, it is 5:52. You know why? Because we're going fishing today. It's so foggy, my lens is so foggy. He didn't want to get the Bergen socks wet.
It is too early for this.
Get your socks wet. I got fish.
If you ever see those people on like speedboats that hit these buoy things and fly off.
Look at that turtle just vibing, I think. Where are the fishes at? Fish out! Gosh dang, dude.
You want?
Oh yeah.
Dude, tighten your strap. That's the keeper.
Ooh. Wait, are we keeping them?
Yeah, we're keeping them. No, we're throwing them back.
Are we? Where should I put mine? Is mine a keeper?
Yeah, we'll keep them.
Oh no. I haven't ate crappie in a long time.
Yep.
Those are really colorful crappie. Water's so clear. I just want to jump in. Buoy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yep.
Oh no. Got it. I'm so good. What? I had a fish.
In the weeds.
I had a fish. It was biting. You're just jealous I got a bite before you. Got one? Dude, that thing's the size of my wiener.
Just where he catches fish, dog.
Oh yeah.
Give
Pretty
me
good one.
Give me the kid.
Look, these dragonflies are having sex. Oh my gosh, no way.
Biggest thing you caught all day?
Shut up. Another grass pike. That's all I can catch. Little rock bass.
Doesn't count.
What do you mean it's a
It's
bass?
gotta be a large one.
Oh my gosh. This is a nice rock bass though.
Not really.
Look at it. Beautiful. Grass pike.
I've seen behind you that you would catch a fish there, I guarantee it. Oh. Look. This one's getting one time.
This one.
Make heat too.
Jeff?
One.
Oh yeah. Big bill of bass. Grass pike. Grass pike. Grass pike. I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. I got it. Woo! That's hot.
It's toasty.
I'll put that down. Alright, I'm switching baits.
Can you get it? There you go.
Second one I got. That was a really long kayak. Long John.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Ah! Little wiener. Can you stop bouncing all around, please? Dude, you're like spazzing out. See that? Just got a fish. Yeah, there's a baby turtle. It was a small one anyways. You literally could have set the hook into my brain. At least I got this one. Look. That's a live well. That's a live well. I almost just took myself beyond the barb. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. There's not much. We got a few red here. We got 2 crappie. And yeah, we're gonna flay them up and eat them.
Boy, what
that one's upside down. That's great.
Ruger, you want some fresh fish?
Oh! 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 Where did he go? Down below?
Ah, that scared me. Where's the other crappie? There's one. Yeah, there's the other one. Ow, it just poked me. I heard it. Shut up.
Come on.
Colt looks like a drug addict.
Probably hot.
Parafamiliars. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am currently editing it right now. As you guys saw, that's the last clip you just saw. And I'm sorry it is so short. That day, we did catch, I guess, we did catch an okay amount of fish, but for being out there for 8 hours and only catching maybe like 12 fish in total, it kind of sucks. But if you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and put on post notifications because you're so cool. And yeah, share the video with your friends if you think that they will enjoy it also. So, what was I gonna say? The videos after this, I made a fishing video, and it is a pretty fire fishing video, so be looking forward to that. And yeah. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!